Okay guys, just real quick, I wanted to show you what I did to the PSOM. If you remember in the last road test video, I actually had the factory instrument cluster still on the dashboard, and my digital cluster was kind of anchored to the top. I did something a little different this time. I took the PSOM out of the factory cluster, and I desoldered the connector off the back of the board. And I also, if you look all the way up in there, zip tied to the air tube. That's the circuit board off the back of the PSOM. All I did was I pulled the motor off of it and I pulled the circuit board off the back. And I was hoping it would work like this, but I've either got a bad PSOM or it simply just won't work. But I'm going to get it back in there. I'm going to check and make sure I didn't miswire the connector, and then we'll see what's going on. Alright, this could be the problem right here. I pulled it out of the truck and I noticed this wire had come disconnected. But I'm going to take it back inside and get this wire hooked back up and make sure I didn't miss anything on here. Then we'll get another test. Okay, this is take 3. Aside from a few indicator issues, everything should be working fine. I-beams. Let's take a look here. Okay, put 12 miles on it. Go ahead and shut this off. Turn it back on again, we should see the 12 miles. Yep. Switch back over to trip. Still see the 4/10, so that's working good.